My friends, it's Coach Vigue of Vogue, but with an I. I'm here in Decatur, Illinois at the Shastine Gym. This is a classic 10 minutes Pilates mat workout. I've been getting so many requests for this, and this is just perfect because I've dubbed this summer the summer of 50, as I turn 50 years old at the end of July. So grab your mat, some comfortable clothes. Let's make a huge difference in our health and fitness, working from the core outward. You train Pilates mat. You train with Coach Vigue and the 8-ball. All right, I have a clock right on there. Okay, I got a clock right up there on the wall. We're gonna do 10 minutes, all body weight, modify as needed. Always use control, and the whole workout is up here in my head. Arms out to the sides. Let's take those legs back and forth. In Pilates, we like to breathe in the nose and out the mouth. Put on your favorite music and work the entire body with this dynamic movement, never stopping. Exhale to the side, inhale through the nose, exhale through the mouth. You want a little bit more? Take the arms and the head and shoulders off the mat. I like to take the palms up. It's a good defensive pose as you get the twist right here and then the workings in the sides. Inhale, exhale. Let the music of your breathing guide you. Feel that explosion of things happening. One more time, each side. Fingers to the back of the head. Circle those legs, either direction. So you bring the knees in, squeeze the abs, take them around. It's a little variation on the ab circles I like to do. Exhale in, inhale around. 2 more times. Or you can always take the hands out here too. Keeping that neck strong, tucking the chin slightly, and then other direction. We don't just work the abs, we want flexibility, we want movement, mobility in the core and the rest of the body at all times, whether you're turning 50, 16, 80, or 34. We want that. One more time. Bring it around. Okay, tabletop position or extend the legs out. Pilates 100. Zip up the legs, arms to the side. Pump the arms up and down 100 times. Breathe in for 5. Out for 5. I'm going to start with 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Last set. 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Shoulders back. Solidify that connection with the core. And bring the knees in, rocking side to side. Take the head down. Relax the neck. Relax the mouth. Relax the shoulders. How are we doing for time? All right, I usually don't look at a clock on the wall. We just go. But 10 minutes is a beautiful, beautiful nugget of time for Pilates. Let's bring it up for the spine stretch. Take the heels to the edges of the mat, arms out, shoulders back and down. You're going to exhale, hinge forward. Imagine you're lifting up and over a beach ball. Squeeze the breath out. Inhale, rise up, stack that spine. Shoulders back and down. Again, squeeze all the breath out like you're wringing out a wet washcloth. Inhale, stack, 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 stack. Shoulders down. Let's do 3 more. 3 more. Draw those toes towards you, my friends. I had a calf cramp a couple nights ago. Oh man, I felt it coming too. So right here, we're stretching, we're massaging it, squeezing out the junk. Bring it back to 100%. One more time. One more time. Sounds like an airplane. Inhale, rise up, stack, 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 stack. Ooh, shake out the arms, shake out the legs. Let's bring it down onto our backs for single leg stretch. Bring this right knee, draw it in. Inhale, exhale. Soften that knee a little bit as you extend out. Stabilize from your center. Let the movements all grow and explode out of your strong center. Your abdominals, your lower back, your hips, your glutes. 2 more times each side. 1, 2, 2. Oh, gotta get on that mat. Double leg stretch. Tabletop position. Arms to the sides. Inhale. We're gonna do 6. Extend out. Circle around. Squeeze the abs. Try to stabilize, not moving the upper body, just the arms. There we are. Extension, return to home. Return to home. And bring it in. Let's finish off this sequence. Single straight leg stretch. Draw the leg towards you. Inhale, switch. Elbows out. If you like, bring the leg a little bit across. Extra stretch. Stabilizing and challenging the core. Anything we can do to disrupt the movement, to force your body to adapt in real time. Progressive destabilization, the essence of not just Pilates, but any great workout program. Your body has to adapt. It gets stronger, more balanced, more mobile, more flexible, more resilient. One more time each side. Pull and pull. Now scooch forward. Whoop, whoop. Legs out. Now, roll over. You don't want to do the full rollover. You go back to what we were just doing with the single straight leg stretches. Roll over. We're going to squeeze the abs. Bring those legs all the way up and over the body. Touch the toes down. Inhale, lift, flex the feet. Now begin your journey down with the exhale, massaging the spine into the mat. Feel the arms are there for support. 3 more times. Dig deep. Take your time. Give it your full and undivided attention. Massage, massage, massage. And we see the word massage. 2 more. Limber up that back. Limber up that spine. You're as old as your spine, my friends. Want that movement to be timeless. Last one. I'm going to slow it down. I want to dig into this stretch right here for an extra breath. And then it's like the helium rollover. Flex the feet. I'm going to lower down. Oh, that is good stuff. Scooch back and take those legs back and forth again, my friends, as much as you like. Whatever option is there for you, like the twists. We're doing just great, just great. I don't want a 50-year-old low back or spine or sides. I want 18, 20, whatever. Actually, throw the numbers out the window. I just want to be able to move well. Move well with freedom. With whatever it is I do. Especially being a dad, moving with my son all hours of the day. Okay. Child's pose. Press it back. Long stretch. Inhale forward. Modified plank. Back and forth. Inhale. Exhale. Stretching the back. Working the shoulders. 2 more. Now slide the forearms down. Single leg kicks. Elbows under the shoulders. Roll the shoulders back. Lifting tall. Point flex down. Double leg kicks. Or single leg kicks, sorry. Kick down. I've been doing this just about every night. Loosens up my back, my hamstrings, my quads. I work on the posture here. The calf is feeling better. 2 more times each side. Lower it down. The breaststroke, classic Pilates, arms to the sides, legs together. Inhale, reach forward, open the legs. Exhale, pull back. Let's do 5 more. 1, 2, there we go. 3, We got 2 more. Slow it down. One more time. Feel that beautiful lift. Lift, lift, lift. And Pilates, we got to swim. Extend the arms forward. Before you do that, place the fingertips down. Lift up. Drop the shoulders. Lower down. Spinal mobility, spinal release. Debugging that rolling shoulders forward posture. We got to debug it. We have to eradicate it. All right, when you're ready, alternating arm and leg. Inhale up, exhale down. Or you could speed it up here. 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And bring it around onto your back for the back stroke. Woo! I hear cheering, I hear jeers, I hear boos, I hear vomiting. Get rid of it, come back. Legs tabletop. Arms to the sides. Inhale, extend up. Circle around. Circle, 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 circle. Arms in, lower back is down, and then draw back in. You could make the circle smaller if you like. 6 more times. Inhale, 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 inhale. And then exhale. 1. Lift. Always extending a little further, giving a little bit more. Draw every ounce of what you have into each movement. And they're here all the time, my friends. This is all body weight. The weights are back behind me. We got the greatest gym right here, the body. I'm going to do 2 more. As always, I apologize in advance for my counting. My wife was the math major, not me. There we go. Circle, circle, circle. Last one. Squeeze right here. Extra breath. Come on. Who's your Pilates instructor and what does he do? And then bring it back in. Excellent, my friends. Take those arms out. Let's take it side to side. I love this move. Do this 5 to 10 minutes a day right here. Maybe you're not extending the leg yet to keep the tips of the toes down, but you will. You will free up your back and the blood flow. One more time, each side. Quick extra credit. We're here, the crisscross. Don't leave home without it. Lift the chest towards the knee, not the elbow. Keep it right in here. No numbers, just go. I'm going to count 20 seconds. Burn it out. I'm looking at that arm on the clock. 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Beautiful, my friends. Let's stretch out those abs. How'd that feel? Feeling good? Good stretch. Hands on the shoulders. Lift up cobra or all the way up into up dog. How's my shirt? Okay. My shirt. Draw the shoulders back. Knees off the mat if you like. Open up those abs. Stretch that back. Work those shoulders. That feel good? Great. If you love that Pilates workout with Coach V, click that like button, my friends, and subscribe. And click the notification bell up there to never miss one of my workouts. I appreciate it. Gets it out to all the people. All the people in the world can enjoy these bodyweight Pilates workouts. And as I said before, this is a summer of 50. I'm turning 50 years old this summer. So watch for extra videos and eating tips and workouts and exercises and collaborations and books and everything else from me, Coach V. You can look down below in the About section and follow me on there. I'll put the links up here on the screen too, but I'm very excited. This is a big year for me, and I want you to come along with me. So God bless you on that. I'll see you next time. Coach Vigue, over and out. My friends, if you want the extended version of that workout, plus access to hundreds of exclusive workouts not found on my YouTube channel, You need to try the Sean Vigue Fitness app free for 7 days. Cancel anytime. Click the first link in the comment section below. Try it for 7 days, and I guarantee you will be hooked.